Previously, on Resin by Megan.
I am trying to recreate the hand from Talk to Me. Insert picture here. Hello friends, welcome to the last day of Resinween. It's the moment I've all been waiting for. So, yes, I'm going to attempt to make this hand actually look good. Do I have confidence in myself? Absolutely not. No way in hell do I believe that this is going to look good. But we will give it a try. I have a mask. It's a cloth mask. Not the one for fumes. There's a difference. And I've got the sandpaper that Jay Diction sent me. And I've got some water. I emailed the wonderful person at Jay Diction to ask if I should sand this dry or wet. I was very, very worried that sanding it wet would actually disintegrate it, but no, they said that wet is best. So I've got plenty of water. I've got a little container here that it's sitting in. I'm not going to just sit it in there, by the way. It's just in there for something to look at. I did. I'm hoping I edited it in. I'm hoping I added the clip of me painting this. I just ended up doing the chalk paint. I didn't actually feel the need to do tempera. So yeah, so this is nice and painted. It's good and dry. The plan for mounting the hand, pardon me. The plan for mounting the hand is I'm going to use some E6000 on the back of the hand as well as some hot glue. And the hot glue is just there to give me that temporary hold while the E6000 holds completely. I do have some picture hanging stuff that I still think is upstairs. Yeah, probably. So I probably need to run up there and get that. But yes, so that way I can hang this on the wall. That's the plan. It's going to be like an art piece that people can come and say hello to when they enter my room. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to let the super creepy music roll. I'm going to lift you guys up so that you have a better view of what I'm doing. Please ignore the obnoxiously messy desk that I'm currently sitting at. It's been a month, as you well know. And at the end of this, I will have a little screen that'll pop up with the giveaway winner. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And let's go ahead and get started. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to my friend Mark, who made the amazing song that you are currently listening to. He also produced a music video for it. I'm going to leave the link to that in the iCard as well as the description, so please go check it out. Thanks. Alright, friends. Yes, my mic is still on. An hour and a half later, my back is fracking killing me. This is as good as it's gonna get. Yes. Lessons I learned. Number 1. Oh, hi, spider. I got a little spider crawling down right in front of my face. Hi, buddy. Anyway, I should have used my small gloves to do this, and I should have done it in one pour. I think that would have made a world of difference for me. I think it was just too much. But I don't think it looks terribly bad, right? And as I said before, I'm not going for movie accurate here. Where did that fall off of? Oh, right there. Okay. So yeah, I'm also not planning on it being handled a lot. So, I have pulled out a couple of markers. I've got my Ohuhu. I think that's how you say it. These are alcohol markers. You've got the fine tip and the chisel tip. I'm obviously going to use the fine tip. And then I've also got a Faber-Castell artist pen. This is a warm gray. Here's the thing. In the movie, you can see that there are different phrases written all over the hand, right? Obviously from people who have had the hand, you know, many times over the years or however long. I'm going to just write "talk to me" all over it. I'm going to use both colors so that way they look kind of different. And yeah, it's just going to say "talk to me." Big print, small print, cursive, you know, lowercase, uppercase, all of that good stuff. That's what we're going to do. You're a very cute little spider. Can I move you? Can I move you? There you go. Okay, I just put him onto my my stand here. The thing that holds the camera. Words are hard. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. And then once that's done, we will attach it to this, and then we will do glamour shots. I'm really super excited to see how it looks. All finished up and up on the wall and everything. Yeah. So let's finish this up, shall we? I'm actually very proud of myself. This was a hell of a project to take on, especially for as part of a much larger project of 31 days of Resinween. This was huge for me. I'm very proud of myself. I love learning new things. I love playing with new things. This gave me a lot of lessons. So, we're going to go ahead and start writing on this thing. And we're going to finish it up. We're going to wrap it up. I'm going to add music to this. All the good stuff. As always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I won't be back until next Tuesday. Next Tuesday. So 1 week from now. I will not be back until then. Okay? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the giveaway winner will be announced at the end of the video. After the glamour shots. Just before the end screen. Okay? Alright. Enjoy the creepy music and the rest of it.